you frequently access certain Gmail items? In this tech tip, learn how to create Gmail shortcuts and get to virtually anything in 2 clicks. This productivity hack depends on using shortcuts on our bookmarks bar. So to begin, we'll want to make sure that the bookmarks bar is visible. To do so, let's go to Settings, Bookmarks, and then make sure that Show Bookmarks bar is checked. Then from our bookmarks bar, we can right-click and then do Add Folder. And from here, I'm going to type Gmail links just to give my folder a name, then click Save. And then let's get into Gmail. We can go to a frequently used items like Sent, and we click on Sent, and we see that the address here is changed. To make a one-click shortcut, let's click and hold the lock icon and then drag this to our folder. Now when we click in the folder, we see a new item referred to as Sent Mail. We can right-click on this item, click Edit, and give it a shorter name, then click Save. The real power of this feature is that this even works for searches. So if I wanted to search for items that have been received after January 27th, you'll see that these items appear, and also notice how the URL has changed. If I wanted to save this search as a shortcut, I could again click and hold and drag this item into our folder, right click, edit, and then give it a new name. Email after January 27th, and click Save. What I've done to give you an idea of the power of this shortcut is I've created a list of shortcuts that I use almost on a daily basis. You can go to the article on how to create Gmail shortcuts, and then you can scroll towards the bottom. And at the bottom, you'll notice that there are a list of buttons here, such as inbox, drafts, unread, so on and so forth. To use them, you can just click and hold and just drag them to the folder and drop them. And again, when you click on unread, it will bring that item up in one click. This quick tech tip was provided by TechnoJudo.com. If this information was useful, please help us help more people by clicking the thumbs up icon and hitting the subscription below. You may also send your questions or how-to requests to questions@technojudo.com, and it may be featured during our next tech tip video. Thank you for watching.